inside Myanmar channel. I am Nana, so do you guys remember me? If you guys have not watched my previous video about Chinatown, I will leave a list in comment section, so please support me. And today I'm gonna show you rainy present in Central, so carry me. So currently I am arriving at the Central Boulevard, which is located on the Kababaye pagoda road. And if you see across the road, you can see the Inya Lake, which is the famous lake in Yangon. And then if you came here in sunset time, you can see how beautiful the sunset time in the Inya Lake. Oh, there is a bazaar, and this bazaar name is called Zay Pwal Taw. So here is the teacher that you can learn one Burmese word. It is called Zay Pwal Taw, which means bazaar in English. So let's go. So behind me is the bazaar, and let's go to check it out. So here is the Burmese tea leaf shop. So let's try this. It's still a little bit spicy and sour. It's one of the famous traditional Burmese foods. So if you guys can hear, please try this early one. Okay, let's go to the next one. So there are so many street food shops in this bazaar. So I recommend you guys to come here. There is a lot of jelly. It's a so variety kind of jelly in here. So let me introduce you this white candy here. It is very popular in this day. You can eat the rest inside of the west, and you cannot eat the west. Okay, let's go. Let's try our sticky glutinous right here, and then here is a dry fish, and this is sticky glutinous rice. We Burmese eat this one as a breakfast in morning. Okay, let's try this. This fry is really good, and I like it. So here we ready countdown. You can play self friend game here too. Okay, let's play game. I got 3,000 ninja here. Here is so you can draw everything you want in here. So I will draw something. You can try your karikata or your set, and so I will try it too. Come on. So I got it here. It looks like me. So this Kababaye is only 8,000 just for one. Oh, that is so beautiful here. It's so cute. Ta-da! There's so many cutie in here. Oh, this keychain is still cute. So here, this bazaar also have a live band too, so we can enjoy the Burmese song. Okay, come on, listen with me. So let me end my video here. Today I show you the Central and Bazaar event in Yangon. So please enjoy my video and also don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.